So this week I want to share with you 9 key terms every home buyer and every seller should know before selling a home or buying a home. But first this. So number 1 is the appraisal. The appraisal is a report that highlights the estimated value of a property. It is completed by a qualified third party. The appraisal is very, very important because lenders rely on the appraisals to validate the home's value and ensure that they are not lending more than what the home is worth. So number 2, closing costs. These are the fees that are required to complete the real estate transaction. Most of them are paid at closing. You want to ask your lender for a complete list of closing costs, the items that could include points, taxes, title insurance, so you will have an estimate of how much you will need to purchase the house. So then you have number 3, which is your credit score. A credit score, of course, is a number that ranges from 300 to 850 and is based on the analysis of your credit history. So the lender uses this to determine whether you're likely to pay the mortgage back. So that's why that's important. Number 4 is the down payment. Down payments are typically between 3.5% and 20% of the purchase price of the home. There are some zero down payment programs, but you still need some money to complete the transaction. And number 5 are mortgage rates. Now these are interest rates that you use to pay when borrowing money. So you need to know that the lower the rate is, the lower your mortgage payment will be. So number 6 is the pre-approval letter. The pre-approval letter is a letter from the lender that shows what they're willing to lend you for the home loan. Now this is no guarantee to lend, but it is a critical step in today's competitive market because it lets you and the seller know your financial position to buy their home. Number 7 is the inspection contingency. Now this is a provision in the contract itself. You can either waive this inspection or you can continue with it. If you waive the inspection, and I know this might be tempting in today's competitive market, but a home inspection is very essential because it gives you information about the home's condition and any potential repairs. So you probably don't want to waive that. Number 8, affordability. Now this is a measure of determining whether someone earns enough money to qualify for a home loan, and it's based on the most recent price of the home, your income, your debt, and the mortgage rate. So keep in mind that as prices continue to rise, it will definitely have an impact on the money that you can afford. Number 9, equity. Now this is the value in a home that's above the total amount of any liens against that property. So let's say if your house is worth $500,000 and you only owe $200,000, then your equity is $300,000. You can use the equity to purchase a new home, buy a boat, a car. It's called appreciation. And every homeowner are now realizing that they have more equity in their home than they thought, and they're using it to move. So these are the 9 key terms that are important. You should know them because they can impact your buying power and your ability to sell. So if you have a house to sell or you're looking to buy a house, the best place to start is with a trusted real estate professional, someone who can guide you through the process. That person can answer your question and alleviate any concerns that you might have. My team and I are always willing to assist you. Our contact information is below. When you're ready, just pick up the phone, give us a call, or schedule an appointment on our calendar, which is below. I am Denise Watkins. I am with the Watkins team RE at Sampson Properties, and I look forward to hearing from you. But also, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel so I can continue to share this valuable information. Until then, I will see you next week.